Hi guys, again this is Dimitri Atis, your friend on here on this channel with the great tools and tips for Haitian Creole lesson. Pretty much you guys will know the basic words and phrases used in Haiti or used by most Haitians around the world, especially in Haiti. So we here guys to teach you that, as up here. And we want to thank you also for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for your support guys, and make sure you leave a comment below or share the videos to your families and friends. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have here first of all some vocabularies. Okay, for example, we have voyager, voyager, voyager. That's to travel. That's number one, right? Number one. Number two, buy. 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 To give. Not beg, but buy. To give. Okay. Number three, prend. To take. Prend. To take. Remember in my previous lesson that we had the pronoun moi, and it wasn't when, but moi. Same thing here. Prend is just prend, not prend, since it's just one end. So prend is to take. Aller, number four, aller, to go or to leave. Aller, aller. Number five, écrit. Again, écrit, écrit, to write. Chita. Number six, chita, chita, to sit down. Garder, number seven, garder, garder, to watch or to look at. Number eight, travail. Again, travail, travail, to work. Number nine, marcher, marcher. Oh guys, and number six, chita is the she sound, sh, all right? Not she, but sh, like she, chita. Again, also in number nine, same thing, ma, sh, you see, marcher, not marcher, all right? It's marcher. That's to walk, marcher. Great. So number 10 here, we have jouer. Again, that's jouer, no grave accent, so jouer, that's to play, jouer.
Alrighty then guys, so that's all for today. I want to thank you very much for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe, and I would appreciate to see your comments below, and hit the like button of course, and the bell for more videos. And thank you again, and we'll see you guys next time.